RG706MAX 5G GPS Drone, Dual HD Cameras, Obstacle Avoidance, Smart Hover and 5G Screen Remote. The RG706MAX drone combines powerful performance, smart flight features, and real-time high-definition video transmission into a compact, user-friendly quadcopter. Built for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and beginner pilots alike, the RG706MAX offers smooth flying, excellent stability, and intelligent flight systems, all in a lightweight, foldable design. With dual HD cameras, optical flow positioning, GPS navigation, and a 5G screen-equipped remote controller, this drone is a powerful aerial tool that lets you explore, record, and fly with ease. Dual HD cameras for wide-angle aerial capture, equipped with front and bottom HD cameras for capturing a variety of aerial angles. Use the one-axis gimbal to stabilize footage during basic movements and light wind conditions. Ideal for casual photography, group shots, or surveying your surroundings from the sky. Real-time video transmission via Wi-Fi to your mobile device or integrated 5G display remote control. Intelligent flight systems with GPS plus optical flow. GPS positioning ensures stable flight outdoors, helping your drone hover precisely and return home automatically when needed. Optical flow visual hover technology enables steady indoor flight without relying on GPS, great for tight indoor spaces or low-altitude shots. Smart return to home, RTH, one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode simplify operation for newer pilots. Obstacle avoidance plus brushless motors. Built-in obstacle avoidance sensors help prevent collisions by detecting objects in the drone's flight path, primarily front-facing. Durable brushless motors deliver smoother performance, greater flight efficiency, and longer lifespan compared to brushed motors. Reduced noise and improved reliability in windy or demanding conditions. Long battery life and stable power management. Powered by a high-capacity lithium polymer rechargeable battery, giving 20 to 30 minutes of flight time per charge. USB charging makes powering up convenient whether you're at home or in the field. Smart Power Mode helps optimize battery usage and prevent sudden shutdowns. 5G Wi-Fi FPV with screen display remote. The included 5G screen remote controller gives you real-time visuals without needing a smartphone. Fly with live feedback on screen. Transmission range up to 1,000 meters in ideal conditions. Control range ensures stable signal and accurate flight performance during both casual and long-range flying sessions. Ideal for beginner to intermediate drone pilots, aerial hobbyists and casual photographers, FPV enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly smart drone, explorers wanting to film landscapes or real estate from above, educational and recreational drone use for teens and adults. Why choose the RG706MAX? Dual camera system for dynamic shots. Built-in 5G FPV screen remote, no phone required. GPS plus optical flow for both indoor and outdoor use. Up to 30 minutes flight time. Obstacle avoidance for safer flying. Brushless motors for durability and smooth power. Lightweight design just under the 250 grams regulation threshold in many countries. Feature and details. Camera dual HD cameras, front plus bottom, video resolution 720p, camera gimbal one-axis mechanical gimbal. Flight time 20 to 30 minutes. Maximum altitude 120 meters. Max speed 6 meters per second. Control distance up to 1,000 meters. Motors brushless. Positioning GPS plus optical flow, obstacle avoidance. Material ABS plastic. Battery type rechargeable LiPo battery. Operating voltage is less than or equal to 36 volts. Charging method USB. Drone weight. With battery, 241 grams. Age recommendation 14+.